Today I am building a propeller. Now normally I would do this part with an angle grinder, but it's been so rainy and dark that my electricity is low because I'm on solar power. So I'm saving electricity for the refrigerator. Anyway, the first step to building a propeller, at least the way I'm doing it, I have several of these around. Anyway, figure out how far I want the propeller to travel in one revolution, and then make a little stack of wood that comes up at that angle. And that will give me the right curvature of the propeller. Nice, right? Then, once I got my little stack of wood, and the thinner you make your pieces, the less sanding you have to do. You know, now I have to smooth this part out. So, I'm just doing that with a nice, rough wood file. Instead of an angle grinder. It'll take a little longer. Hey Jamie, you really glossed over the angle part of that. Okay, here's how you figure it out. First you gotta figure out the rough speed you wanna go. So, this is in a pedal boat. I'm gonna go about 6 miles an hour, which is like, miles an hour are terrible to deal with. It's like 10 kilometers an hour, divided by 3,600, so it's like 3 meters per second. More or less, close enough. I'm gonna try to keep the math pretty simple because I'm doing this in my head right now. When I figured this one out, you know, I did it more exact and wrote down numbers and used a calculator and crap. Let's say I want to go about 3 meters per second, which is about right. And I want to pedal in this pedal boat, and I want to pedal, let's see, one pedal every second would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. That seems a little fast for me. I think I want more like half that speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it takes like 2 seconds to do a revolution. But my propeller spins about 14, somewhere between, let's just say 14 times for every revolution I do here. So that means every second I'm going to get 7 rotations out of the propeller. So if I'm going 3 meters per second, and every second I do 7 rotations of the propeller, that means one rotation of the propeller has to one rotation of the propeller has to travel 3/7 of a meter. So like just under half a meter. So then I can take these pieces of wood, measure the height, see how many it takes, how many I'd have to stack up to add up to 3/7 of a meter, which is somewhere around there. And then take those and take 360 degrees divided by the number of these, and that's the angle that each one of these has to go. I want some propeller blades significantly bigger than this. Maybe like all the way out to like here. I think about like that. Hey, come on, stand up. I got some paste wax here to make it so I can put fiberglass on here and it won't stick. I'm making a fiberglass propeller. Oh, not quite. I only want 2 propeller blades on this guy, so Just need 2 spots to line it up. And I line this up with the line. And that is exactly where one propeller blade goes. Alright. I just need to put a strip of fiberglass on there. Cut 2 pieces out. And I cut them next to some other pieces. So I have the exact same pieces for the other side. And right now, I have a favorable breeze coming through that'll take away the fumes, so I think I'm going to do it. Gloop, 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 gloop. Gloop, 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 gloop. Yeah, I think that's all right. Come on, clamp, get off. Nice. All right, again, we re-wax that, put it on this side. Nice. Come on, get off. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, come on. I did not go super smoothly, but good enough. It's not absolutely perfect, but I think worthy of a test drive. Should we paint it? Let's paint it.
Well, not yet.
Yeah, let's paint it anyway.
It'll be fine.
If we test drive, it's gonna get covered in salt anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever.
Okay, we'll paint.
I might not normally paint just for a test drive, but I think there's a decent chance I'm going to put this on and it's just going to stay on the boat for like months. In which case I definitely want paint on it so the fiberglass doesn't degrade in the sun. And I'm not entirely sure how much force this gearbox can handle. Well, let's go give it a try. All right, don't break, don't break, don't break. Oh.
Gas steer.
We're moving. The real test will be going forward. All right. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Getting a bit of bubbles. Let's see how it goes when I get up to speed though. Oh, this is definitely working. We are moving. Dude, that actually might be a little bit too high gear. This is pretty hard to push. It might be good.
I don't think you should push it harder because that may break the motor thing.
Yeah, I don't want to break the gearbox. I'm actually kind of impressed that it's not breaking with how hard I'm pushing right now. I'm not doing full power or anything, but I'm pushing pretty hard. Alright, I'll have to get the propeller a little lower. No, I can't do it right now. I don't have anything to do it with here. Either way, it's totally working though. It's working pretty good. Damn it, you know what? I want a propeller halfway between this one and the other one.
So you want that one a bit smaller?
Hold on. Maybe I just need to get used to this one. It's starting to feel better. Because with the other one I had to pedal so fast, like it was really easy to pedal. Ah, I broke something. I broke the gear thing. I don't super feel like dealing with it right now. Ah, I gotta go get it, take it apart.